Good evening, students. Today we will discuss paper number 260, quantitative aptitude. A person earns a profit of 17% after allowing a discount of 10%. Find the cost price if the market price is 520 rupees. Now here the mark price is given as 520 rupees. Mark price is 520. We are giving a discount of 10%. So into 90 by 100. After giving a discount, we are getting a profit of 17%. So 117 is the selling price. 100 will be the cost price. We want to find the cost price. Now do the calculation. 100 will get cancelled. Now 17. So with how many times it will go? So with how many times it will go? Now 13 nines 117, 13 40s, 9 ones 9 tens. 40 into 10 is 400. So 400 is the correct answer. See the next question. In how many ways 8 persons can be arranged in a linear row if all persons are facing north and 2 specific people never sit together? So 8 persons can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. Now there are 2 specific people who never sit together. So that means 2 people they always sit together. 2 people they will sit together. So this 6 is taken as 6 individual units. This is 1 unit. Total 7 factorial. These 2 people can be seated in 2 factorial ways. So 2 factorial. So this is how we can arrange the 2 specific people will sit together. Now never sit together means 8 factorial minus 7 factorial into 2 factorial. This is what we should calculate. 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 factorial minus 7 factorial into 2 factorial. So you can take 7 factorial common, 8 minus 2. That means 7 factorial into 6. 7 factorial means 5040 into 6. That will give 30,240. 30,240. Next question. A alone can do the work in 5 days. So A 1 day work 1 by 5. B and C will together do the work in 4 days. So B plus C 1 day work 1 by 4. So totally the LCM is 20. This is 9. Now they will do the work in how many days? 20 by 9 days. 20 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 9. 2 by 9 means 1 is the correct answer. Next, Veer can do the work. Veer can cover a certain distance in 5 hours. Ayush will cover in 4 hours. Find the ratio distance covered by Veer and Ayush in 3 hours if they are at respective actual speed. So here both are taking 3 hours time. So time is not needed. Time is not needed. So here Veer can cover a distance in 5 hours. Ayush can cover the same distance in 4 hours. That means time ratio of Veer and Ayush will be 5:4. Therefore speed ratio will be 4:5. Find the ratio of the distance. Speed is directly proportional to distance. So it is 4:5. Next, the side of the square is equal to the height of the cone having the radius 6 and volume 792. Find the area of the square. So here height of the cone you take it as h. Here what is given? The volume of the cone, that means 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 792. So here r value is 6. So 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7. 6 square means 36 into h is equal to 792. Do the calculation. 36 twos, 36 twos. 22 cancel. H is equal to 21. So h is equal to 21. The side of the square is equal to height of the cone. So height of the cone is nothing but side of the square, that is 21. Therefore s square is equal to 441. S square is equal to 441. That is the area of the square. 441 is the correct answer. 441 is the correct answer. See the next one. Given below table shows the number of patients who visited to the hospital on 3 different days and the number of patients who referred to higher hospital. Read the data carefully, then answer the questions. Now here see the first question. How many persons were not referred on all 3 days? So were not referred means visited minus referred is not referred. So Monday 500 minus 300, that is 200. Tuesday 400 minus 250, that is 150. Wednesday it is 250. Totally 600. Totally we will get 600. 600 are not referred. See the next one. By what percent the number of patients who referred on Monday is more than Wednesday? Monday referred is 300, Wednesday referred is 200. So 3 is how much more than 2? 1. So 1 by 2 is always equal to 50%. 1 by 2 is always equal to 50%. What is the ratio of the number of patients who visited on Tuesday to the number of patients who are not referred on Wednesday? Visited on Tuesday 400. Not referred on Wednesday 450 minus 200, that is how much? 250. So we have to find the ratio. 0 0 cancel. 5 8s 5 5s. 8 is to 5. Next one. If on Friday 20% more patients were visited on Monday then visited to hospital and 80% of the total patients were not referred, then what is the difference between patients who referred on Tuesday and Friday? Friday 20% more patients visited than on Monday. Monday it is 500. 20% more means 600. So 600 visited on Friday. Then 80% of the patients were not referred. So 80% means how many are referred? 20%. That means 120. 120 they are referred. Now find the difference between the number of patients who referred on Tuesday and Friday. So referred on Tuesday, that is 250. Referred on Friday, that is 120. The difference is 130. 130 is the correct answer. Next question. On which days the percentage of patients who are referred out of the total visited is maximum? Now you go according to the days. 300 out of 500, so 3 by 5. Monday it is 60%. Tuesday 250 by 400. 250 by 400. 55s, 58s. 5 by 8 means 62.5. Then Wednesday 200 out of 450. So 54s, 59s. So it is 44, 4 by 9. So maximum is on which day? Tuesday. 3 is the correct answer. See the next question. 41. What approximate should come in the place of the question mark? See, 200 plus 12% of 500. So 12% of 500 means it will be equal to 60 minus cube root of 64 is 4 is equal to x square. That is 256 is equal to x square. X is equal to 16. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. 84 by x plus 26% of 800 means 26 into 8 plus cube root of 4th root of 16 is 2 is equal to 216. So 26 into 8 168. So 8 6 48 208. 208 plus 2 210. So 84 plus x plus 210 is equal to 216. 84 by x is equal to 6. Therefore, x value is 14. 14 is the correct answer. Next question. X percent of 550. X by 100 into 550 plus 20%. That means 1 by 5 into 650 is equal to 350. Now, 52s or else we can do with 52s, 51s, 5011s. 5 ones 130. That is 11x by 2 is equal to 220. X is equal to 40. 40 is the correct answer. 40%. That is the correct answer. Next question, 44 question. 5 into x plus 12 plus 30% of 900. 30% of 900 is equal to 360. Now that is 270. 5 of x plus 12 plus 270 is equal to 360. 5 of x plus 12 is equal to 90. 5 ones, 5 18s. X value 6. X value is 6. 3 is the correct answer. Next. 36% of x plus 18 square. So 36x by 100 plus 324 is equal to 774. Therefore, 36x by 100 is equal to 450. Now, x value 450 into 100 by 36. Now, if you do the calculation, 18 2s, 18 5s, 2 1s, 2 50s. That is 1250. 1250 is the correct answer. Next, see the next question. Here find the wrong number in the given series. Here one number series is there: 10, 22, 35, 50, 68, then 92, 117. Here we have to find which is the wrong number. Here we have to find which is the wrong number. See, 10, 22, 35, 50, 68, 92 and 117. So this is 10 plus 12, 22 plus 13, then it is 15, then it is again how much? 18. Now here one gap, 12, 13, one gap, next 2 gap, next 3 gap, next 4 gaps should be there. So 68 plus 22, that is how much? 68 plus 22 is 90. 90 is the correct number, 92 is the wrong number. 90 is the correct, 92 is the wrong number. Now see the next one. 17, 32, 52, 77, 107, 144, 182. Now 17 plus 15, 32 plus 20, then this is 25, then this will be 30. Next, see each time 5 gap, now 35. 107 plus 35 is 142, not 144. So 144 is the wrong number. 144 is the wrong number. See the next one. $210, 35, 180, 36, 144, 48, 96. So 210 divided by 7. Next, 180 divided by 5. This is into 4. This is divided by 3. Similarly, this should be into 6. 35 into 6. Or else 210 divided by 7. What is 210 divided by 7? 30. 30 into 6, 180. So 35 is the wrong number. 35 is the wrong number. Next question. 12, 14, 30, 92, 370, 1852, 1116. Now this is into 1 plus 2, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 3 plus 2, 92, that is also correct. Into 4 plus 2, that is 370, that is also correct. Into 5 plus 2, that is also correct. Now into 6 plus 2. See, 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 2 means the number should end with 4, not with 6. So this is the wrong number. This is the wrong number. See the next question. 50th question. 5, 230, 426, 595, 741, 860, 960. Now here what will come in the place of the question? See, 5, 225 gap, 230, if you take the gap it is 196. Here if you take the gap it is 169. That means this is 15 square, 14 square, 13 square. Next should be 12 square. 12 square means 144. So 595 plus 144 should be equal to 739. So 741 is the wrong number. Next, quadratic equations. We have to identify which is greater than which one. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Y square plus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here we can take plus 3 plus 2. Answers minus 3 minus 2. Here plus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 minus 3. So x is greater than or equal to y. So minus 3 minus 3. minus 2 is greater than both minus 4 and minus 3. So x greater than or equal to y. Next question, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 0, 3y square minus 2y minus 1 0. So here if you take this one, this is plus 6 minus 1. The difference of 6 and 1 5, the product is 6. So it will be minus 6 by 2, that is 3 and 1 by 2. Here if you take, this is minus 3 plus 1. 3 by 3 is 1, minus 1 by 3. Here 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus. Therefore there is no relation. Next question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. 2x plus 3y 7. 4x minus 3y 5. If you add, 6x will be equal to 12. X value 2. So substitute x value 2. 8 minus 3y 5. 3y is equal to 3. Y value 1. Therefore x is greater than y. Next question, 54. X square minus 13x plus 42 0. Y square minus 17y plus 72 0. So here we can take minus 7 minus 6. Answers 7 and 6. Here minus 9 minus 8. Answers 9 and 8. Therefore x is less than y. See the next question. X square minus 19x minus 92 0. Therefore we can take here minus 23 plus 4. Answers will be plus 23 and minus 4. Here 2x plus y. If you take x value 23, then 46 plus y is equal to 72. Y value 26. If you take x value minus 4, minus 8 plus y is equal to 72. Y is equal to 80. So y value 26, 80. X value 23 minus 4. So in all the cases x is less than y. See 56 question. Salary of A is 40% more than that of B, while C is 15% less than that of B. By what percent C is less than that of A? Now we are having B, A, C. A is 40% more than B. So B is 100, A will be 140, C is 15% less than B, C will be 85. So if you do this, 20, then 28, then 17. Now C is how much less than A? 17. See, 17 is how much less than 28? 17 is less than 28 by 11. From where it is less? 28 by 100. So 4 sevens, 4 25s. It is 275 by 7. 7 3s 21, 7 9 63. So the answer is 39 2 by 7. 39 2 by 7%. Next question. A bag is containing 10 bulbs, out of which 4 are defective. Out of 10, 4 are defective. So out of 10, 4 defective, 6 non-defective. Now 2 bulbs are drawn at random. What is the probability? At least 1 defective. At least 1 defective means 1 defective, 1 non-defective can come, or means plus 2 defective can come. Now 1 defective, 1 non-defective means 4 into 6 by 10 C2, or means plus 2 defective means 4 C2 by 10 C2. This is what we should calculate. Now 4 into 6 24, 10 C2, 10 into 9 by 2 into 1, that is 45, plus 4 C2, 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, that is 6 by 45. So it is 30 by 45, or else 2 by 3. 1 defective, 1 non-defective. So 4C1, 61. 4C1, 4, 61 is 6. So like that we got 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Next. In what ratio tea costing 35 rupees per kg is mixed with 28 per kg? So 1 is 35, 1 is 28. So that the profit is 20%, mixture is 36. So 36 is 20% profit means 6 parts. Therefore cost price will be 5 parts, that is equal to 30. Now 28 to become 32, this is 5. So in what ratio it is? 2:5. Next. A train can cross a platform of length 450 meters in 15 seconds, while a tree in 3.7 seconds. Train length L, platform length 450, it is crossing in 15 seconds. Train is crossing a tree means train length itself is the distance, that is L, it is crossing in 3.75 seconds. Now we have to calculate L value. See, 15 2s, 15 5s, 0.25. So 0.25 L plus 450 into 0.25 or 450 into 1 by 4, that is 112.5 is equal to L. Therefore 0.75 L is equal to 112.5. L is equal to 11,250 by 75. So if you do the calculation, 75 175, now 5 times 0. So L value is 150. The length of the train is 150. Now what is the speed of the train? So speed of the train means 150 by 3.75. So 3.75 means 3 by 4. That is 15 by 4. 150 into 4 by 15. That is 40. So speed of the train is 40. Now in what time the train will cross the platform of length 150 meters? Train length is 450, platform length 150, total 600. The speed of the train, train length is, see, now train length we got how much? 150. Train length we got 150. Train length is 150. Platform length 150. So 150 plus 150 is how much? 300. The speed of the train is 40. So that will give 15 by 2 or else 7.5 seconds. 7.5 seconds is the correct answer. Next, the average temperature of the first 3 days of the week is 35 degrees. So for first 3 days the average is 35. So total 105. Last 3 days it is 38. So it is 114. Totally 229. Out of 7 days we got only 6 days. Now total week temperature average 36. So that is 252. So what is the temperature on the 4th day? 252 minus 229. 219. 252 minus 219, that is 33. 33 is the correct answer. 33 degrees is the correct answer. Next, read the data carefully, then answer the questions. Here we are given with total bags manufactured: A 20%, B 30, C 15, D 20, E 12. How many bags are manufactured of A and C? A is 20, see, A is 20, whereas C is 15. So 20 plus 15 is how much? 35. So 35 into 20, that is 700. The answer for this is 700. Next question. What is the difference between the bags manufactured by B and D? B is 30, whereas D is 20. 10% of 2000, that is 200. 10% of 2000, that is equal to how much? 200. Next question. By what percent the number of bags manufactured by C is more or less than E? C is 15, E is 15. There is no difference. So the answer is 0%. Next, total bags manufactured by A and B. A plus B is 50. CDE. CDE is also equal to 50. So here, this is what percent of this? 50 by 50 into 100 is nothing but 100%. Both are equal means 100%. Then last question. What is the central angle corresponding to the number of bags manufactured by ACE? So A is 20, C is 15, then E is 15. So 20 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 15, 50. So 50% of 360. So that is nothing but 180 degrees. This is degrees, not question marks. All are degrees. 180 degrees. Now we will see reasoning ability. See the reasoning ability. 6 persons are there sitting around a rectangle table in such a way that 3 people are sitting at corner facing outside and 3 persons sitting in the middle facing towards. All of them celebrate different festival. A is sitting second to the right of the person who celebrate Pongal. D is on the immediate left of the person who celebrate Pongal. C celebrate Dasara and is on the middle. Only one person is there between C and Holi. B who celebrate Christmas sits second to the right of the one who celebrates Diwali. F is the immediate neighbor of both B and A. E does not celebrate Eid ul-Fitr. D does not celebrate Holi. This is the question. Now based on this we should answer the question. See, two triangles we will draw. We will try to do the question in two possibilities. Now, so here there are three persons sitting at the corner facing outside. So those who are sitting in the corner, they are facing outside. Those who are sitting in the middle, they are facing to the center. This is outside, this is also outside. Now start the puzzle. A sits second to the right of the person who celebrate Pongal. So here if you take Pongal, we don't know. Here if you take Pongal. In the second case, in the middle I am taking Pongal. A is sitting second to the right of Pongal. That means A is sitting second to the left of Pongal. A is sitting second to the left of Pongal. Here A is sitting second to the right of Pongal. Then D is on the immediate left of the one who celebrate Pongal. D is on the immediate left of the one who celebrate Pongal. So here we will get D here. Then C celebrate Dasara and is sitting in the middle of the table. C is celebrating Dasara and is on the middle of the table. Here we will take C and C is celebrating Dasara. This is Dasara. Now here in the second case, here you take C. C is celebrating Dasara. C is celebrating Dasara and is on the middle. So C is celebrating Dasara and is on the middle of the table. Only one person is there between C and Holi. Between C and Holi there is only one person. That means A will be Holi. Here if you take, there is between C and Holi there is only one person. So here if you can take this one as Holi. Then B who celebrate Christmas sits second to the right of Diwali. B who celebrate Christmas is sitting second to the right of Diwali. So B is sitting second to the right of Christmas and celebrate Diwali. F is the neighbor of both B and A. F is the neighbor of both B and A means here we will get F. Here we will get B. B is celebrating Christmas. B is celebrating Christmas. This is Christmas. Now, is sitting second to the right of Diwali. B is sitting second to the right of Diwali means B is sitting second to the left of Diwali. That means A will be Diwali. A will be Diwali. Now in the second case, B is the neighbor of both, F is the neighbor of both B and A. F is the neighbor of both B and A. That means we can take F, we can take B. But B Pongal. But B should celebrate which one? Christmas. So here we got Pongal. So this is wrong. The second one is wrong. Because B we should get Christmas, not Pongal. Then E who does not celebrate Eid ul-Fitr. E is not celebrating Eid ul-Fitr. That means E is celebrating Pongal. E is celebrating Pongal. E is not celebrating Eid ul-Fitr. Now who is celebrating Eid ul-Fitr? That is D. D will be celebrating Eid. D does not celebrate Holi. So this is the total puzzle we are having. Now come to the questions. Now we will see the questions. See, C, A, E, D, B, F. Now F is celebrating Holi, B Christmas, D Eid. This is Pongal. This is Dasara. This is Diwali. Now come to the questions. Who is celebrating Holi? F. Then which of the following is true regarding D? So D is on the middle, that is definitely correct. D celebrates Eid ul-Fitr, that is also correct. D is the neighbor of F, that is not correct. So only 1 and 2. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and in small group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? See, D Pongal. D Pongal. D Pongal. F Holi. F whole is correctly matched, remaining not all are correctly matched. Now, who is sitting second to the right of the one? Who is on the immediate right of D? Immediate right of D, B. B right second means B left second, that is E. B left second, who is sitting? E. E is the correct. Which of the following pairs of the person sitting at the corners? So, who are the person sitting at the corners? A and B. They are sitting in the corners. See the next one, 71. How many words can be formed from the second, third, 10th, 11th of the word implementation? Second M, then third will be P, then 10th A, then 11th T. We will get TAMP, TAMP. The meaning of TAMP is pack. Only one meaningful word we will get. Now 72 to 76. Based on the letter number symbol series. How many consonants are there which is preceded as well as followed by symbol? Before the consonant symbol, after the consonant, there will be symbol. See, we will get the first one, this one, hash W dollar. The second one, exclamatory mark K %. The third one, inverted V X N symbol. Then next one we will get N symbol Z followed by add. So we will get totally 4. The option is 5. Which of the following is 9th to the right of 12th from the right? That means third from the right. So which is third from the right? M. M is the correct answer. Then what is the exact number of vowels between the 7th element from left and 14th element from right? So 7th element from left, that is question mark. That is question mark. And 14th element from right. So 3, 6, 9, 12. See, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 14th one Z. Between question mark and Z, between this question mark and this Z, how many vowels are there? So A is one vowel, E is one vowel, then I is one vowel, U. So we are having E, A, I, U. 4 vowels are there. So more than 3. Then what will come in the place of the question mark in the following sequence? $21, question mark EB, K2 percentage followed by dash. $21. This is $21. Then so dollar followed by question mark. After dollar 3 gap question mark. After question mark 3 gap K. After K 3 gap 8. It should be 8. Starting should be 8. Then see the next one. 2 followed by E. This is 2. Take 3 gap E. Again take 3 gap. Again 2. Again 1, 2, 3 gap. It will be 4. It will be 4. Then 1. See 1, 3 gap B. Again 3 gap %. Again 3 gap. It will be A. So the answer is 8, 4, A. Option 4. Next one. How many such numbers are there in the above series which is immediately followed by number and preceded by symbol? That means one symbol, 2 numbers. Symbol followed by 2 numbers. Symbol, number, number. So it is in how many cases? Symbol, number, number is in how many cases? See here, $12. $12. Then see the next one, percentage 23. Percentage 23. So we are getting totally 2. The option is 3. Then see next question, 77 to 78. Study the following information, then answer the question. M, N, K, O, E, Y are 6 members of 3 generations, in which 2 are married couples. E is the daughter of Y, N is the father of O, M is the brother of K, who is unmarried, Y is the brother-in-law of K, M is the grandmother of E, N has 2 children of different gender. Now, see the first thing, M is the grandmother of E. First write down M. Grandmother means minus. M is the grandmother of E. That is the first thing. Then M is the mother of K. M is the mother of K who is unmarried. Y is the brother-in-law of K. Y is the brother-in-law of K. So M is the mother of K. M is the mother of which person? K. K is unmarried. Y is the brother-in-law of K. That means Y is married to K's sister. We don't know K's sister. Then N has 2 children of different gender. E is the daughter of Y. E is the daughter of Y. E is the daughter of Y. N is the father of O. So N will be the father of O. N will be the father of O. N is having two children. So N is having two children. The two children are O and K of different gender. So O is minus. So K will be plus. So this is the total blood relation we are having. Now based on this we should answer the question. See the first question. See the first question. How is E related to O? So how is E related to O? E is the daughter. E is the daughter. 3 is the correct answer. If A is married to K, for this question, A will be married to K. Then what is the relation of A with respect to Y? A is the sister-in-law. 2 is the correct answer. Next, 79 to 83. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. 14 people are sitting in two rows. G, H, I, J, K, L, M are sitting in row 1 facing north and facing south. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are in row 2 facing north. H is sitting third from one end. Q faces H. Only one person is there between Q and S who does not sit at extreme end. I is on the immediate left of M and is on the immediate right of G. R is sitting second to the left of S. M faces R. 3 persons are there between V and P. V faces the immediate neighbor of L. J is sitting second to the right of K. U does not face L. So here there are totally 14 persons. All of you draw 2 lines. This one 7 parts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one also 7 parts. Similarly, the other possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, here G, H, I, J, K, L, M are row 1 facing south. So, here any information related to G, H, I, J, K, L, M, this will come here. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V will come in row 2. This is row 2, this is row 1. Now, start the puzzle. H is sitting third from one extreme end. So, H is sitting third from one extreme end. Then, Q faces H. Q is facing H. Then only one person is there between Q and S. There is only one person between Q and S. There is only one person between Q and S. S is not at extreme end. Then S is not at extreme end. R is sitting second to the left of S. R is sitting second to the left of S. This is not possible here because already here S left second we are having Q. So here we can't write R. M faces R. That means this one is wrong. M faces R. Then I sits on the immediate left of M. I is on the immediate right of M and is on the immediate left of G. That means and is on the immediate right of G. Then see the next one. J is sitting second to the right of K. That means J is sitting second to the left of K. Here we are left out with L. Then V faces the immediate neighbor of L. So V faces the immediate neighbor of L. 3 persons are there between V and P. Then U does not face L. So U faces J. Here we will get T. So this is the total puzzle. Now we will go to the questions. Now we will go to the questions. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got M, I, G, J, H, K, L. Here R, P, S, U, Q, V, T. Who among the following sits second to the left of the one who faces G? Who faces G? S. S left to second we are having which person? R. There. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group which is the one that does not belong to. M is in the corner, G it is in the middle, Q is in the middle, H is also in the middle and S is also in the middle. So only M is in the corner. Who is facing L? T. Which of the persons sit at the corners? If you see this one, T is in the corner, M is in the corner. How many persons are there between M and L? Between M and L, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there. That means more than 3. Next, 84. How many numerals are there in the number? 5, 2, 3, 8, 9, 6, 5, 2, 6 will remain at the same when arranged in ascending order from right to left. That means here to here ascending order. That means you have to arrange the numbers in the descending order. So descending order in the sense 9, 8, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 2, 2. So how many remaining are the same? Only one, that is 2. 2 is remaining at the same position. Next, 85. Directions. D is 2 meters to the west of C, B is 4 meters to the south of C, A is 4 meters to the west of B, E is 5 meters to the south of A. First, D is 2 meters to the west of C. D is 2 meters to the west of C. B is 4 meters to the south of C. B is 4 meters to the south of C. A is 4 meters to the west of B. So, this is 4 meters A. Now, E is 5 meters to the south of. This is 5 meters, this is E. Now, this is the total direction. Now, come to the questions. What is the shortest distance between A and C? Between A and C, that means this one. What is the shortest distance? This is 4, this is 4. So, root of 4 square plus 4 square, that is 32. 32 can be written as 16 into 2, that is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 is the correct. What is the direction of C with respect to E? North, east. That is the correct answer. Next, 87. There are 27 students in a class having different ranks from top to bottom. Rank of Sachin is 11th from the top and Saurav is 13th from the bottom. So, Sachin is 11th from top and there are 27 students. Saurav is 13th from bottom. That means what is Saurav rank from top? So 27 minus 13 plus 1, that is 15th rank. So Saurav is 15th rank from top and it is 13th rank from bottom. If Virat, that means in between we are having 12, 13, 14. If Virat is exactly in between, that means Virat will be 13th position from the top. So what is Virat rank from bottom? Virat is 13th from top. From bottom means 27 minus 13 plus 1. So 27 minus 13, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15th. So Virat rank is 15th from the bottom. See the next question, 88 question. 88 to 92. Study the following information, then answer the questions. There are 7 boxes. So there are totally 7 boxes. Write down 1 to 7. Since there are 7 boxes, we will do this in 2 possibilities. This is the first possibility and this is the second possibility. Now, see this one. Only one box is below O. So below O there is only one box. Then see the next one. There is only one box below O. 2 boxes are there between P and X. 2 boxes are there between P and X. I is above P. I is above P. I is above P. One box is there between X and I. So there are 2 boxes between X and P. So X and P there are 2 boxes. Between X and P there are 2 boxes. Here we will take between X and P there are 2 boxes. One box is there between X and I. Between X and I there is one box. I is above P. In both cases I is above P. Then O and P they are not adjacent to each other. But here we got O and P adjacent. So this one is wrong. Then Q is above M but below Y. Q is above M but below Y. That means we will get Y, Q, M. This is the correct arrangement. Now come to the questions. See, we got the positions like this. The first one is X, next to Y, next to I, next to P, Q, O, M, which is immediately above P, I. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? See, X, I, one gap, Y, P, one gap, MO there is no gap. So MO is the odd one out. See the next one. How many boxes are there between Q and Y? Between Q and Y there are 2 boxes. Which is true regarding M? Regarding M, which is true? More than one box is placed below M, that is false. M is placed immediately below Q, that is also false. M is placed at bottom most, that is true. Third one is true. Then 92. If X and Q interchange their position. Now that means here we will get Q, here we will get X. Now which is placed immediately below Q? Now Q is here, immediately below Q we are having Y. Y is the correct answer. Then see 93 to 95. Here this is related to this greater than, lesser than. See 93 to 95, greater than, lesser than. A greater than B, B greater than C, C less than or equal to D, D is equal to E, E less than or equal to F, F is equal to H. Now H greater than or equal to C. Now see here, C less than or equal to D, D is equal to F, E less than or equal to E less than or equal to F, F is equal to H. Now from C to H less than or equal to follows, or greater than or equal to definitely follows. B less than F. So therefore B greater than C. The symbols between B and C are not same. So second one does not follow. Next 94. P greater than Q. P greater than Q. Q less than R less than or equal to S. S greater than or equal to U. U is equal to V. U less than V. V is equal to X. R less than X does not follow. Q greater than U does not follow. Neither one nor two. See 95 question. U less than V, V less than or equal to W, W is equal to Y, Y greater than X, X is equal to Z, Z greater than Q. Now Y greater than Q. See U less than V, V less than or equal to W, W is equal to Y, Y greater than X, X is equal to Z, Z greater than Q. Y greater than or equal to Q does not follow. U less than Y definitely follows. Next, 6 persons they go to malls one after the other. R goes immediately after Q. Only 2 persons are there after S. S goes to Spencer. Only 1 person is going before Vishal. T goes just before or after S. 3 persons are there between P and the one who goes to FBB. P goes before S. U goes to the mall after T. The one who goes to Pantaloon goes to the last. The one who goes to V-Mart goes before the one who goes to Big Bazaar. Now there are totally 6. So serial number, person, mall. Here also serial number, person, mall. 3 got table. So there are totally 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also the same thing. We are doing in 2 possibilities. Now come to the question. First, the one who goes to Pantaloon goes at last. Pantaloon goes at last. This is Pantaloon, 6th place. Here also Pantaloon, 6th place, goes to last. The one who goes to Pantaloon goes at last. Only 2 persons goes after S. Only 2 persons goes after S. So S is at 4th place. Then S goes to Spencer. S is going to Spencer. S is going to which one? Spencer. Then only 1 person goes before Vishal. So Vishal is at 2nd place. Here also Vishal is at 2nd place. T goes just either before S or after S. So here I am taking after, here I am taking before. Then 3 persons are there between P and FBB. P goes before S. P is going before S. Between P and FBB there are 3 persons. So here we will take P. Then take 3 gap. Here it will be FBB. Then U goes to the mall after T. So U goes to the mall after T. U goes to the mall after T. Then R goes immediately after Q. R is going immediately after Q. Here R is going immediately after Q. U goes to the mall after T. So U should go after T, but it will not come here. So this one is wrong. Now the one who goes to V Mart goes the before Big Bazaar. So this is V Mart. This is Big Bazaar. So this is the total puzzle we are having. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See this one. Serial number, person, mall. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now P, Q, R, S, T, U. This is V Mart. This is Vishal, Big Bazaar, Spencer, FBB, Pantaloon. Now find the odd one out. P Big Bazaar, R FBB, Q Spencer, S Pantaloon, T V Mart. So out of which is odd one out? P Big Bazaar, P one gap Big Bazaar, R one gap FBB, Q one gap Spencer, S one gap Pantaloon, T one gap V Mart will not come. Who is going just after U? No one. Who is going to Pantaloon? Pantaloon, who is going U? Which is true? Which is the true statement? P goes at last, U goes to FBB, S goes before R, Q goes to V Mart, R goes before U. That is correct. How many persons are there between P and S? 3 persons. Between P and S, 2 persons. Only 2 persons. 3 is the correct answer. So with this we completed the today's paper.